What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete play both crew challenges in Try Towers in Skate 4. So first of all we need to come to Try Towers, and if you don't know how to get to it, then firstly open your map and then go to this location on your map. Once you're on this location, you will see the objective of play both crew challenges, and to complete that we just need to go to any of these crew challenges. So as you can see, this is the first challenge, which is on the spot, go with the flow. And to start this challenge, keep holding Y or triangle and then the challenge will be started. Now to play it, we need to press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to start this challenge as solo player. And then as you can see, the first challenge has started. And once the challenge is started, you can complete the first challenge by completing all of the objectives from the top left corner. Firstly, I need to pick up some speed and then do a flick stick like this. And then the first challenge will be completed. Now to complete our second challenge, we need to go over to this location. After that, keep holding Y or triangle to begin this challenge. And after that, we need to complete all of these objectives in our game. Now complete all of the objectives from the top left corner of your screen, and then both of your challenges will be completed. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.